Good afternoon to everyone. Myself I am Harika from 2nd MPC. Today I am going to say a few words about sustainable development. The meaning of sustainable development is nothing but that development should be takes place without damaging the environment and development in the present without compromising the needs of future generation. Sustainable development is about the meeting of our needs today without harming the environment or balancing the social economic growth and social well-being and protecting the environment. This can be done by using natural resources wisely. Sustainable development fair opportunities for all and increasing quality of life. Government, business and individual must be work together to ensure that the earth can continue to support life for future generations. By focusing on long-term solutions, we can build a healthy, fair, and thriving world. For all, sustainable development means improving our life base that can protect the earth in a smart way. So future generation can also enjoy them. For suppose nowadays, by vehicles we are moving from one place to another place. To run the vehicles we are using petroleum and diesel. But when the petroleum and diesel releasing more gases into the atmosphere, by releasing these gases the air will be polluted. Nowadays only we are polluting this much air, means there will be no sustainable air for the future generations. So to reduce this, instead of petrol and diesel we have to use the CNG, compressed natural gas, because it doesn't cause any harmness and effect into the atmosphere. So we have to use the compressed natural gas to run the vehicles. And next, most polluted thing is water. Nowadays we are using more plastic, and after the use of plastic we are throwing into the water. While we are throwing the plastic into the water will be polluted. So the chemicals are releasing into the water, and it causes many hazardous effects to the life of aquatic animals and plants, and it also causes hazardous effect to the human beings' life, because we are using water for many purposes, for drinking and for washing clothes and many other purposes. So while drinking this water and for many other purposes, it causes many diseases and sometimes it leads to death. So we don't have to use the plastic. And one more thing is, we are using for the idols we are using plaster of Paris. But the plaster of Paris is not degradable in the water. So we have to make the idols with the soil only, because it can be easily degradable in the water and it doesn't cause any harmness and effect to the water. And next thing is the soil. In the fields, to kill the insecticides and pesticides, to kill the pest, we are using insecticides and pesticides. By using this insecticides and pesticides, the pest will be killed, but it can also decrease the fertility and nutrients of the soil. By decreasing of fertility of the soil, there is no much proper fields and crops for the future generation. So to decrease this, we have to use the natural pesticides by using natural elements like Panchagavya. We have to use in the fields.